Salesforce training tutorial day 2. This is chetangrv, your trainer for this entire series. Welcome back everybody for the second day in our training series. As you all know, this is the free training series on YouTube for all the people who are interested to start their career in Salesforce. In our last video, we have learnt about the fundamentals of Salesforce, and today we are going to deal with the standard sales app in Salesforce, how actually the Salesforce or the CRM tool works. We'll be taking an example and we'll be studying about the standard sales app. So recapping about the last lecture, we studied about various things in last lecture, like what is CRM, what is cloud computing, what is Salesforce, some bits of Salesforce regarding what architecture does Salesforce follows, how to set up your org, what are the different editions available to you in Salesforce, what are the different roles available in Salesforce, what are the different modules, what is your right career path while pursuing this course. And at last we also set up our companies and the personal profile once we have logged into our account, that is a developer account, which is free of cost. So this is what we did in our last video. So today, after completing this module, today's module, we'll be able to learn about the basics of Salesforce, that is the UI of Salesforce. What user interface you will see to it, we'll be coming to know about, we'll be getting acquainted with various kinds of menus, tabs, various kinds of objects available in the Salesforce. After that, we'll be understanding a standard sales app in the Salesforce, which is given free of cost to you. We'll be taking an example and we'll try to understand that how this particular sales app works. Making you to understand this app is just making you to understand about how the CRM tools actually works in the real problem, that is in the real industry. If you go to in some industries like manufacturing industry or any marketing industry or any of the service industries, how exactly the sales team do work, how this particular CRM tool has enhanced their sales and productivity. So we all be studying about it, about all the things which are there in the sales app. So let's go and log in into your developer account. So just go to login.salesforce.com. Please, everybody is required to log in into their account. So last time we have already we have already signed up for the free developer edition, so right now you don't have to worry about that. Just log in it. Once you log in into the Salesforce account, you could see that a basic user interface which is appearing in front of you is almost same that people will be getting. At the top right corner, you could see your name, that is a username, the name which you have registered yourself. If you click on this, you'll be getting around 4 different options. It's about setting up your profile, your settings, developer console, and your logout button from this particular account. Developer console is basically for the developer, the people who are basically going to develop here. They are going to write some codes, they are going to enhance the skills of the particular app, customize the app as per the requirement of the client. So this is for the developers. This setup menu is basically for the developers as well as for the admins, where you will be able to set up the various things like managing your users, managing the databases, managing the communication templates, syncing your data with Gmail account, syncing your Salesforce data with your Outlook. So many things are available in it. You can create your objects, you can create your fields, tabs, you can create your reports, you can build your schema, you can create a workflow process, you can create an approval process, you can see your logs. Various things are available in this particular option. We'll come to know in the later part of the series. Another link it is given as help. This help is basically when you require any help from the Salesforce. If you are not getting anything, you can click on this button. It will take you to some new window where the inquiry page will be opened. Various predefined solutions are already available. If you type your query, it will you search it, you might get your answer, or else you have an online option to get your queries cleared by them. Fine. At the last, you could see that this is an app menu. App menu is a menu where you could see all the apps listed in this side of menu. Like right now I am having sales app as the current one. It is being listed in front of you. If you click on it, you get another app known as service, marketing, app launcher, community, site.com, Salesforce charter, content, garage. After garage, you might not be getting any of the apps, because recruiting, project management and gift app, whatever you can see on my screen, all these three app are basically being customized by me. So these are my customized app. I have developed my own. So once you will also develop, you will also get all your apps listed over here only. So we'll be studying about everything, but today what basic user interface you could see is like this. This portion you can see, you can build your app, a very basic generate app with only one step. If you click on it, it will pop up a window. It will say that put the name of an app, label of an app, the very first object. We'll come to know what object is in a later class. Very first object you want to create in that particular app. All the things you click on next and next, save it, and your app will be created. This is one of the shortcut methods to create an app. Another method is also there, we'll come to know afterwards. Okay, here it is a list of recent items which you opened on your Salesforce account. All the recent items would be listed over here. There are some quick links given to you where you can directly jump into that particular section, whether it could be a tool, it could be a user, it could be in any app. Similarly, if you see this side, that is the left hand side, this is a force.com home page where you could see various sections like administer, build, deploy, monitor. Jobs and logs actually do come under the monitor part only. So all these sections you can see that where you can manage your users, manage your apps, manage your territories, manage your company profile, security controls, your domain management, data management. Various options are available for you to admin. It is basically the part of an admin, how to customize the already given you can say the facilities which is given by the Salesforce already. You can customize it over here by using it, by clicking on it. Suppose if you click on manage users, so you can see the details of the users, what are the roles you have defined, any permission sets you have given to any of the users, what profile you are having, what is your login history to this particular account. Many things are available over here. Similarly, if you go to the next section, which is known as build section, this is the section where basically the developers do work, even admin also, but developers had a greater part or role to play over here. You can customize the predefined objects or predefined or you can say predefined objects by the Salesforce. You can customize any of them. Similarly, you have an option to create also your own app, your own objects, your own layouts, your own values, your own packages, your own tabs. Everything you can create on your own. You can define some global actions, you can define some workflow and approval processes, everything, email alerts, field updates. Many options are available, numerous options are available. We'll be studying each and everything in detail once we will proceed with this our class. Fine. So this was the basic user interface which we can. So this was the basic interface which basically we were seeing over here. Now we are going to start with an example. We are going to take an example and we are going to understand this sales app, the app which is open in front of you. We are going to understand about this. We have the various options available over here. You can see that the various tabs are available like home, chatter. Fine. So now we are going to understand the basic sales app. Before going to it, one more thing I should tell you that this is the area where you can see the tabs of what? Sales menu app. If you change this app to marketing or service, like let us suppose change to service, click on service, you could see that the tabs would change. Now these tabs are for this service app, right? So you could get the different apps. Well, if you click on different apps, you will get a different type of tabs, right? So going back to the sales app, now you could see that you have the option of home tab, chatter tab, campaigns, leads, accounts, contact, opportunities, forecast, contracts, orders, cases, solutions, products, reports and dashboards. These are the by default tabs which are available to you in the sales application. Now in the sales application, for time being, leave this home and chatter tab. We'll be starting to study about from the campaign tab. Before going into the campaign tab, let us take an example so that we could understand well about it. So I'm going to take an example for you. We have done. Okay, now our example is, your company wants to sell a tablets in a market. You know, tablets are the 5.7 or 6 screen change tablets are available recently, which is launched. Company what decides to advertise this product via different means includes, that is your newspaper media, print media, social media, various different means which are available. The company decides to advertise this particular tablet so that other people come and buy from you. So company decide that the cost of advertisement on whole, that means whatever the amount we are going to invest on the advertisement for this particular product would be $3,000. We are not going to invest more than that. Fine. After that said, that company said that we are expecting that around $8,000 revenue would be generated if we are going to invest $3,000 on the advertisement. That means we are going to have a profit of $5,000. Fine. Company said that today we are going to start the advertising this product, and company said that we are going to for the 1 week we are going to advertise this product till 30th June, and then we will analyze that what exactly revenue we got from there. Fine. So let us go back. And so before selling into the product into the market, every company creates a campaign, because without creating a campaign, none of the marketing you could not sell your laptop directly. The sales team do not starts working directly. Before selling your product, you have to advertise that particular product. So for advertising that product, what we have company has decided to create a campaign. So click on this campaign button. So this is a company's profile, you could say that company could open it. Now company is creating a campaign for its product. So company is going to create a new campaign. Okay, name this campaign. It's saying that who is the owner of this campaign. Whatever your username will be there, it will be published by default. What is the campaign's name? Let it make it as selling of tabs. Fine. Now marking this field as an active, marking this field as a checked, you are creating a campaign which is active right now. That means it's currently in active. You are not making it as an inactive. It has not gone out of the date. Okay, this campaign should be what kind of campaign? It's a conference, it's a webinar, it's a trade show, any public relation types, or any referral program is there, or your advertisement is there, you have a banner ads, various. Again, this is the predefined pick list given by the Salesforce. You could customize as per your own requirement. If you want only one, you can create only one option, or you want more options to be there in this, you could give you. Let us suppose we create an email type of campaign. Fine. You said what is the status of this campaign? You said that it has been planned. Okay, fine. When should it start? It should start on 23rd of June. It should end on 30th of June. It's saying what is the expected revenue in the campaign, how much you think that you are going to get from this campaign. I said that I'm going to get around $8,000. Fine. What is the budgeted cost in the campaign, how much you are going to invest for this particular campaign? I'm going to invest about $3,000, for example. Actual cost in campaign will only come once the campaign gets over. Without campaign getting over, you could not calculate what the actual cost you bear for the particular campaign. Fine, so we are going to leave this field right now. What is the expected response? Expected response is how much percentage you think that your campaign is going to work. Let us take 50% of the people are going to 50% of the campaign you are going to means people are going to turn up. Fine. Now it is saying numbers sent in campaign. How many people you have approached for this particular campaign? Let us say 1000 people we have approached. We are planning to approach 1000 people. We are going to send a mail regarding this product to 1000 people, and we are expecting that 50% people would at least give a response for this particular product. Fine. Leave this parent campaign for a time being. We'll let you know everything. Yeah, you can also describe the information regarding the campaign, what campaign is all about. Since it's not a mandatory field, so we are leaving it right now. Mandatory fields are always marked with a red vertical line. You can see here. So this is a mandatory field. You have to fill it. If you are not going to fill, the page is going to give you an error. It will throw you an error. Fine. So we are going to save this campaign. Let's see what happens. Once you create a campaign, you could get the details of that campaign. Who is the owner of that campaign? What is the name of that campaign? Is it the campaign active or inactive? Type of campaign. It's an email type. You have planned this campaign. It is starting today. It's going to end on 30th of June. What you have expectations regarding this campaign? How much you will be getting a revenue? What you have? How much you are going to invest for this particular campaign? Fine. How much you wanted that expected response from the people, like if how much people responded you back, so you will be coming to know. So you are expecting that 50% of the people would come back. Like you have sent the email to 1000 people regarding this product. Out of that 10 people turned up. Fine. Not of those 10 people, out of those 10 people, if 50% of the people who gave the response that yes, I am willing to buy this product, so your expected response was actually correct. Whatever you expected, the same has come. Fine. You can say who created this campaign, what are the leads. We will be converting up, we will be studying about all these things. Leads, converted leads, what are the contacts in campaign, what responses do you get, what opportunities in campaigns do you get. So we'll be studying about all the things. If is there any hierarchy of or not, any activities you have made, any history about the activities, any attachment regarding this campaign. Like this you can create certain things. So you have created a campaign. Now you have advertised your product. Once your product has been advertised, and out of that suppose 10 people turned up, out of those 10 people you could say that only 5 people were willing to buy the product. Okay, fine. Your marketing team or the sales team, whatever you say, contacted those 10 people. Out of those 10 people, only 5 gave the response, positive response, that yes, I am going to buy this product. Rest 5 said no, we are not, right now we are not planning to buy this product. So you are least concerned about them, you leave them. You are going to only focus on those 5. Now after focusing on those 5, after contacting them, after you got to know that out of those 5 also only one was willing to buy this product at that moment of time. That means at like instantly he wants to buy, or he's planning to buy within 5 to 10 days of after the campaign gets over. He wants to buy that particular product. Fine. So what happened, once you get a lead that yes, this is the customer who is willing to buy this, let's create a lead for him. We are going to create a information regarding him. Let's store some information in our application so that we can further contact with him, further deal with him. We can give him some certain opportunities. Let's do that. So we are going to create a lead for that particular one customer who was willing to buy that product and said that yes, we are going to buy this product in upcoming 5 to 10 days or 15 days. We are planning to buy this. Fine. So we are going to create a new lead. Your marketing team will be given access to this particular field and they will create a lead. What is the first name? Let us say It's like Urvashi. She was the person who contacted you at the campaign time. Oh, sorry. Last name should be here. She belongs to a company known as like Dell India. Fine. She is a sales manager. You can say she is a sales manager, and she attended your campaign. She got your mail actually, and she responded back. Sorry, manager. Fine. What is the source of that lead? From where it came? So it was like, you can say anything you can give. It's not a mandatory field. I am writing out of this web also. Now it's saying this lead has come from which campaign. Your company is very big. Your managers or the CEOs are sitting over there. They might create thousands of campaigns for different products. So this particular person, Urvashi Tiwari, who's interested in to buy your tablets from your company, XYZ company. So from which campaign did she came from? Because how would you know that this particular tablet is related to which campaign? So you just contacted this campaign, you click, and all the related campaigns in your company would be listed over here. So this was a selling of tablets. You created it. To which industry it was? Let us suppose this industry is related to electronics, right? IT is not there. IT is not there, so we are going to go for electronics, right? What is the annual revenue of this Dell India? What is the phone number of that? Let us make this number as this only. For this mobile, anything, fax, any email ID you have. Suppose I am entering my only email ID. Any website of this Dell India. What is the status of this lead? This is more important. Now this status of this lead is means this lead is open, and till now we have not contacted this lead. After we have created this lead because she was interested, but we have not contacted. We are working on this lead. That means lead is being under process. We have contacted them. We have given the deal. They are finalizing the deal. Or the lead has been closed, converted, or closed, not converted. I'll tell you how this lead is being converted and how this lead is not converted, means closed. Closed, not converted, I can explain you right now. That you created a lead for her, you gave her, your company gave the quotation for that particular product. That company simply, Dell India simply rejects your quotation and said, no, we are going to buy from some other company, they are offering this. So at that moment of time, this lead was closed and not converted. Converted and not converted means that this lead was converted into a particular account, particular contact, particular opportunities. That means further we are dealing with this particular company. Since it is an open lead, so we are just making it as an open, which is not contacted right now. How many employees are working in Dell India, what is the information, additional informations, whatever you can fill over here. Click on save. Once you save this particular lead, now see, she was the person who contacted you. Under her name you have created one lead. Fine. She's the details of the leads are as below. Now once you contacted her, and then you found that the company is willing to buy that particular product. Our product is like they are willing to buy our product. So we are going to convert this particular lead in a particular account. That means now we are further processing this her request, and we are going to create an account for that particular company. We are going to create a contact for this particular company to whom we are going to contact. We are also going to create an opportunity for that company. Opportunity means that we are going to give them the deal, how much, at what amount we are going to give you, what offers we can give you, what are the terms and conditions. Everything would be delivered in the opportunities part. So you have to create an account for that particular company, you have to create a contact for that particular company, and you have to create an opportunity for that company, right? Since you don't have, Salesforce has given an option that you don't have to create a separate account, then separate contact, then separate opportunities for this particular lead. So Salesforce has given the option to convert this lead into one account, into a one contact and a one opportunity by a single click button. Here it is as convert. Once you click this button convert, this lead is going to be converted into a particular account, particular contact and an opportunity. Let's convert this. See, once you convert this, now it's saying you are converting the lead Urvashi Tiwari. Fine. Yeah, see, it's mentioned here leads can only be converted to accounts, contacts, opportunities and follow-up tasks. It's very clear. You should only convert a lead once you have identified it is as a qualified. Qualified means that you could have judged that person that yes, this company is going to buy the product from us, or this particular person, this lead is genuinely interested in buying our product. So once she or he has qualified for that particular case, then we are going to convert this lead. Why it is saying so? If you're going to, like 10 people contacted you and if you're going to create a lead for 10 people, Salesforce do not have the problem, but problem is that your system will get diluted with the useless data, which is of not use. I mean, keeping a useless data in an account in your application is like keeping a garbage inside it, because it's we are not going to contact the persons who are not interested. They just came to know the price and you created a lead for them. That is a useless thing. We should always create a lead for the particular point of person or any company which have qualified, or you have judged them that yes, he is a potential customer, it is a potential customer and he can or she can buy the product. Okay, he's saying that after this lead has been converted, that means that whatever the lead you are going to convert, it can no longer be viewed or edited as a lead, but it can be viewed in a lead reports. That means now once you convert this lead, after that you again click on the lead, you will not find this lead name over here. You could find it in your lead reports. Fine. So who is the owner of this record? Me. What is the account name? See, I am creating a new account under the Dell India. Fine. What is the opportunity name? It's a Dell India's. We are going to create an opportunity for this company. What is the lead? Now see, here you have come. We are closing this lead and it has been converted. That means finally we have converted this lead and we are going to process the further details. What is the subject? Fine. So we are going to we are going to send a code to them. Status, you can write it is in progress. What date you are going to contact them? Let us suppose 26th of June, Monday. Then what priority you are going to set this information. Fine. This is all about, you mentioned it. Once you click on convert, you see that this Urvashi Tiwari is no more there. Dell India would be there. See, now it has been created a Dell India. Fine. Now Dell India is there. Now you could see the owner of this name, account Dell India. We have contacted this company now. It's an electronics industry. Billing addresses are as follows. Who created this particular account? It's been created by me. What is its phone number? Company's phone number. Then who was the point of contact from where this lead has been converted? Urvashi Tiwari was the point of contact at that time. Now she also said that, see, I am a sales manager. I am not like a procurement manager. I am not from a procurement department. Hence further dealing would be done with the procurement department. So please save the new contact and contact them. So you're going to save a new contact for this. Let us suppose Mr. Abhishek. Singh is the person from Dell India who is from procurement department. Fine. You cannot procurement, you write manager and procurement department. Fine. What is the birth date of that? You can write this particular Abhishek Singh is reporting to whom. So if you have saved the information, you could have tell very well who, to whom he is going to report it. This is not a from where he got this lead source, again from the web we selected that various informations regarding him, fine, for this particular contact person, right? Once you save this particular person, now see, you could see two contacts under the Dell India. See, this is the Mr. Abhishek Singh, and we have saved all the information regarding it, fine. Now if you go and click on the Dell India, you could see that two contacts would be there. One is Mr. Abhishek Singh, another is Urvashi Tiwari, fine. Any issues, any problem? No issues, no? Now once this has been created, lead has been closed and converted into one account in the name of Dell India, into one contacts. If you click on contact, you could see two people, Singh Abhishek and Tiwari Urvashi, right? Both are from Dell India. One contact and one opportunity has been created in the name of Dell India. You could see Dell India's, we have created one opportunity also. See, by clicking on just one convert button, we have broken this lead into three different parts: one account, one contact, and one opportunity, fine. In opportunity, if you click, so we can tell that what opportunity we are going to create for that particular person. We can add their products for them. We can, what are the activities? See, it is very well mentioned that Urvashi Tiwari has to send a code, and due date is this. It is in progress. Priority is normal. The task has been assigned to chetangrv. Like, see, you can do it like this. You can create a new task also for this particular Dell India. We are creating an opportunity for them. We are sending them the code, fine. So this is what about lead has been converted into three different parts. The next tab in this sales application menu app is a forecast. Forecast is an app where basically we forecast our business in the upcoming 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. What kind of sales we are going to follow, what kind of like we are going to forecast our business revenues, everything we will make it in advance. After that, you have that, we will be studying about this. After this, you have a tab of contracts. Now once the lead has been converted into one account, contact, and opportunities, and your managing procurement team is in touch with the particular company for acquiring the 100 tablets from that company. Now once you have reached to a level that yes, we have whatever the quotation you have given, we have accepted that, we are finalizing the documents. Now we should sign the contract between us. That means a contract should be signed. The contract which we used to see in a pen paper mode is that contract is totally different from this contract. I'll tell you why. In this contract, we are not going to write every details and everything. Only the starting of the contract date, ending date of the contract date. We'll be seeing it. Let's create a new contract, then I will tell you what are the fields available in contracts. You could see to whom, like which company are you going to sign the contract with, who was the customer who signed that contract, what was his title, at what date he signed, if any price book was allotted to him. Like we have created some price book for him. Price book is like him or her, like price book is where we are quoting the price of a particular product. So we have created a particular book for them like that. What is the status of this contract? Contract will start on which date, how many months this contract is of, owner's expiration notice, company signed by, who is the company who is going to sign this, company's sign date, what are the billing informations regarding that company who is going to purchase. If you have any special terms and descriptions, you could mention it over here. So let us select an account name. We are going to sign N with Dell India, fine. Then who is the customer who signed from Dell India? That is the manager Abhishek Singh, right? Urvashi Tiwari was not authorized to do that. Customer signed title, he was a manager, fine. On what date he signed it? Let us suppose he signed it on change the date to July, on the 1st of July or 3rd of July he signed the date, fine. Then contract start date, it will be starting from like 5th of July. it will be 5th of July it will starting. It is for around 18 months. Fine, like this. Company signed by, who is the basic company, that is from company end, that is from my end. The who signed it? Chetan Srivastava signed it. What was the date? The same date, that is 7th, 3rd of July, right? 3rd of July. Fine. Billing information regarding that company, where you have to bill after signing the contract, any special description and terms, and then you save it. Once you save it, you could see that a contract has been created between you and his company. Fine. Once the contract has been signed, you could activate this contract. Once you activate this contract, that means this has come into in active. Fine. Now after we were creating that draft, right? We were creating a draft contract for them. We signed it, we accepted the draft, everything was finalized, then we activated this particular contract. Now we have a legal relationship between the two. Our Dell India and our XYZ company both are in contracted by the legal terms. We are binded by the legal contract for this particular product. Now that company said that we are going to give you the orders, so you are going to create an order. So once they will contact you, you will create a new order for them. Again, the account name would be Dell India. Then on what date you want your supply to be done, let us suppose on 10th of July you want. Who was the customer who authorized this order? That means from that company, from Dell India, Abhishek Singh authorized this. From company end, that is from XYZ company, who was the person who authorized this? That was Chetan Srivastava, who authorized this order. Then what is the billing street, billing city, province, everything there. You have to mention the contract, against which contract you are ordering this. So you are just clicking on this, you are saying against this contract, I am against this contract only. Suppose this Dell India can have 10 contracts, so you will getting all the 10 contracts inside it. It might be happen for one for tablet, another Dell India contacted you that they want some laptops, so you have created a laptop contract with them. They want that your company also sells mobile phones, we want smartphones also from you, so another contract would be signed between you. So all the contract related to the Dell India would be listed over here. Fine. Again, this is a status draft. That means you have processing your order has not been dispatched yet. Fine. All the details you have put. Once you save this order, fine. Now as soon as you're going to activate this order, that means this order has been placed finally, means it has been under process from our end. You have placed it, now we are activating it. Once you activate this order, now fine, we have not mentioned any product. Let's add some product. I'll tell you how to add the product. So, standard book. See, I'm telling you, if any product would be there, then only we will be there. I don't think okay, let's go for like this only. It is SLA silver. We'll be having our products, all listed products over here. Once we will reaching this tab, we'll be listing all our products over here. Fine. So we are selecting this for the time being, silver. Fine. For the time being, we have selected. Fine. SLA silver. How many quantities you want? Suppose you have want 50 quantities. Fine. This is the unit price. This is the listed price. Fine. And you create it. That in 50. Now once this product has been added to you, see, product code has been added. What is the product? In how many quantities you are ordering that product? What is the unit price of that product? And the total price of that product. Fine. Now on what date you are going to order this? Everything has been mentioned over here. Now once you are going to activate this order, you could see that this order has been placed. That means this order has been placed. Now this is under process. Fine. You have created an order. See, it is written you have created an order. order has been activated, right? See, you change the status from draft to activated. That means now you want this product to be delivered at your company. Fine. Now after the product has been delivered, you started using that product, your company started using that product, and within 18 months, or you could find that various cases will arise. Various cases means various issues will arise with the product. Some products will stop working, some will go through the machine breakdown. So many cases arise. Some people have the problem with the software issues. So those users will contact your company. Once your customer care representative, that is from your company, who is sitting to solve your queries, solve your problems, you could see very well that you could see very well that you will be saving those all your queries in the cases. You will create a new case for them. You could see that once you call to any customer care, they say, no, we are registering your complaint, please hold for a line. So that is the place where basically they take to you. So they will say, what is your contact name? So contact name is like Abhishek Singh made a complaint. Let us go for not Abhishek Singh, let us go for the any other person. That is wait, we'll be going for Urvashi Tiwari. Urvashi Tiwari was using your product. She has a problem, so she contacted you. She said what type of problem it is. It is an electronic problem. What is the reason for the case? She told that the product has a performance issue. Fine. It is a status, that means the case has been a newly registered case. On what priority? She said that we need an urgent solution to it. So you put that priority on the high, so that once you put your priority on the high basis, on the very high basis, so your solution team, the team which is working, which is giving you the solution, will take this particular case on a priority basis. Fine. From where that came, whether she made a call to you, she emailed you, or she used your web. Let us suppose that she made a phone call to you. Any other information regarding that product, but what product is related to, let us suppose all the products which that particular company has brought from you would be listed over here. Suppose it is GC1040. Any numbers, any liability, SLA violations are there. We will the person who are involved in business, they must be knowing about SLA violations and all. We are least concerned about it right now. Right? So we are going to save this case. Once you are going to save this case, the case has been created and everything has been mentioned over here. Now the company's representative will look after this case. See, every case has a life cycle. That means case will start and finally the case would be closed. That is, a ticket would be raised and ticket would be closed. So that particular company would keep an eye or a watch on that, on what day the case has been generated and then case has been crossed down. That means it has been shut down. Fine. Now next tab is a solutions tab. Solutions tab is a tab where basically you find a predefined solutions by the company. You want that there are some common problems, common available problems, and your company wants that that for that common problem the customer should not make a call to the customer care representative. They should go to the self-help service desk and simply type their query and they get the solution. So you create a common solutions from them. For a common problem, you create a common solution for them. This is what comes under the solution tab. After that, there is a tab for products. Products tab is the tab where basically you list all your products of your company. Whatever the products you are selling, you list over here. See, recently I just selected some SLA silver product. See, this was this. So you will going to mention each and everything regarding the product. Fine. What is the unit price of that product? How many warranties you are providing? What is the name of that product? What is the product code of that product? The description of that particular product. All the things related to the product would be mentioned over here under this tab, product. Finally comes the report tabs and a dashboard tab. These both tabs are almost have the same features. Report tab is a tab which is going to create a report for your company, how much revenue got from this particular campaign, how much product you have sold, how much customer has been what is the customer satisfaction, how many cases have been arise against this product, that report can be generated. How many accounts you have created for this particular product, that report can be generated. Various kinds of options are available under the reports, but you could see various things. Dashboard is nothing but a place where the different kinds of reports are basically placed. That's all. One more thing that people do ask that how will you come to know that a particular lead or account or opportunity has came from that particular campaign and has benefited you. I mean to say that once your revenue has earned some money from that particular company or from that particular, or you have got some business from particular product, so how would you refer to that from which campaign actually this business came from? So I should tell you that internally this campaign tab is connected to the opportunities also. This campaign tab is automatically connected to the accounts also. That means you don't have to worry about that this opportunity was created from which campaign. It will automatically tell you that this opportunity came from this particular campaign. So when the next time again when you are creating a campaign for the same product, after some months, after few you can say after 2, 3, 4 months or after another 1 year, so you could come to know from the reports that yes, I have seen from this report that this particular campaign has led to this much of revenue. That means we should spend some money over here. We should not spend the money where we are not getting a single revenue. Like you are spending 1000 rupees in a newspaper advertisement, and out of those 1000 rupees you are not even getting a 1 rupees business. But if you are investing 10 rupees from in a social media and you are getting 100 rupees from that, think about it. If you if you spend 1000 rupees on social media advertisement, how much revenue your company would get from that. So this is what how to enhance your business. This is what all the CRM tool does. This was a short brief introduction regarding how the CRM tool works and how the Salesforce has designed this sales app for you people. There are various apps available. You could open any of the app. Every app is working in the same or the other manner. So fine. At the last I didn't tell you about the home and chatter tab. Actually home tab is nothing but the tab where you could find your feeds, whatever you as a user did with all other tabs like campaigns, leads, accounts, contacts, whatever you did, all your recent feeds. It's like a kind of mini Facebook for your internal org. You could see all the latest things which were done by you. You created an lead, Urvashi Tiwari. This lead was converted into this contact. Which contact? Now you could see Dell India. Now this Chetan Srivastava converted this particular lead to opportunity. Finally Chetan Srivastava also created a case. Everything is mentioned over here. Fine. You could also schedule your meetings. You can also have created some custom task for you, like all this, and the recent items which you have visited. You can directly click and jump to particular that section. Fine. One more thing, whatever you delete from this particular Salesforce app, it goes to this recycle bin and stays there for 15 days. After 15 days this complete will be, everything would be lost. So if you want to restore any of the things, you have to go back to recycle bin and you can restore whatever you have deleted, but it should be within 15 days, not more than that. So today we have studied about how the sales app works. So for today it's fine. Tomorrow we are going to start with some more, we are going to learn some more basics regarding the how to create a custom app, how to create an object, how to create in tabs, how to create in fields, how to understand how that, what are its different types of data types available in the Salesforce. Everything is we are going to study tomorrow. So for today, so okay, fine. Thank you everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like and share this video. If you have any queries, kindly you could find my email ID in the description box. I'll tell you, and please do mail me. I'll reply to you. Okay, thank you everyone.